In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Wix ownership. Whether it's time to hand over control of your site to a business partner, a client, or simply another account you own, this process is straightforward and quick. We'll walk you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First things first, let's start by navigating to the Wix.com sign-up page and logging in. This step is fairly simple. Just head over to Wix.com and log in using your credentials. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to do so before we can proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the Wix dashboard. This is the hub of all your site management activities, and it's from here that we'll initiate the transfer process. Ensure that you're in the dashboard of the site you wish to transfer. If you manage multiple sites, select the correct one from your list. Now that you're in the right place, look for an ellipsis icon. This is usually represented by 3 dots and is a common feature in user interfaces to indicate additional options. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options listed, select Transfer Site. This feature is specifically designed for what we're trying to accomplish, so it streamlines the process significantly. Once you've clicked on Transfer Site, you'll be prompted to provide some information to complete the transfer process. This will include the email address of the person you're transferring the site to. It's crucial here to double-check and ensure you're entering the correct email address, as this is where the transfer invitation will be sent. If you're transferring the site to someone you know well, it might be worth giving them a heads up so they can be on the lookout for the email. After entering the necessary information, follow any additional prompts to finalize the transfer. You may be asked to review and confirm details, just to ensure you're absolutely sent the transfer request to the right place. Once everything is confirmed, the recipient will receive an email with instructions on how to accept the transfer. It's good practice to touch base with the new owner to make sure they've successfully received the transfer invitation and are able to accept it. If they encounter any issues, you can return to the dashboard and review the steps together to ensure nothing was missed. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the transfer of ownership for a Wix site. Doing this helps maintain the integrity of your site's management and is a smooth way to transfer control when needed. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have more questions or need further assistance with Wix.